Good morning, Venice. American Import Auto here. It is a beautiful day here at American Import Auto. Oh, wait. What is that? Oh my God, it's turkeys. We have turkeys on the property. Must be Thanksgiving time, Venice. That's right. American Import Auto, what are we doing, turkey number one?
We are giving away two 16-pound turkeys from Geier Sausage Kitchen for November on the 22nd.
Woo! Look at that. That's right.
22nd.
Now you're not getting these turkeys, Venice.
Yeah,
We're
I'm
giving
more than 16 pounds.
Yeah, they're more than 16 pounds. So come on in, get those services and maintenance and repairs done. On November 22nd, we're going to do a drawing for two 16-pound turkeys. Look at these turkeys. These are the best turkeys I think I've seen.
What did you call him?
Turkey.
You're a turkey.
We are your courtesy shuttle ambassadors here to take you home, take you to work, pick you up. Don't forget, we're here for you Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
That's right. And don't forget, Venice, we have in-house financing. So no worries. Come, as holidays are coming, come get that vehicle checked out. Get your name in for the drawing for our turkeys. All right, turkeys. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye, Venice. We're your friends and family, American Import Auto.